what's up there, man? What I'm about to do is, I'm about to see if I can add a new service. I'm cleaning. Look at the shoes. But that right there, that's the problem. But they were going to replace this. Get all my utensils out. They're going to buy another toilet because of this situation here. Alright, so they were gonna buy another toilet, and I told them maybe that I could see if I could save them some money by coming and cleaning this out. And what I would do is I would add a service fee to them, because I already did the move out clean, and this mineral in the toilet is a little extra. My guys are not equipped to doing that just on a regular clean, so we're seeing if we can get this in here. So we're gonna see if we can get them from having to replace this whole toilet. To go with half the amount of the sandpaper I was using. Don't think I need that much. We're gonna put a little dab. Yeah. Put a little dab on there. Here we go. We are finished. I think this is paint over here. Yeah, I get that paint up. We don't really get paint up either, cause that's the painter's job. But I get that paint up just because I clean this toilet up, and this toilet looks very nice. So I scrape that paint up, and I done the work all in 15 minutes. They was gonna change the toilet out. And so they no longer have to change the toilet out. They don't have to spend the manpower on doing that. They don't have to spend the money on a new toilet. So, give them more than they pay for. They pay for the cleaning, but I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning for them. And that's just how I do it in a sense, man. We are here to go over and beyond the cleaning expectations of our clients. And man, there's another one down. Even though I could get in and out in 10 minutes, the guy seen me walking in, I stayed here and done some extra work. I don't want to walk in, knock the building out, knock the job out, walk out, tax him $50. That's just not what I want to do. $10, 10 minutes, $50 bill. So I stayed in here. I did my recording. I made sure I did a great job. This is a story that I tell you as I'm walking out. I took a crew into one of my buildings, and me and my crew, we had got down to where we was knocking it out. I'm talking about we got in and knocked it out. We got in, knocked it out, and got on out. Well, what happened was the client was going to cancel service. And they was canceling service not because we wasn't doing a good job, because it didn't seem like they was getting what they was paying for, was the issue. You can go in and they don't see nothing, but they see us coming in and getting out in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 20 minutes in and out, 20 minutes in and out. I had 3 people, so it's over an hour, but they seen us as going in and out 20 minutes, so they was about to cancel. So we had to go in there. We started taking a little longer, and they stayed a client for an extra year. So until they shut down the business during COVID. But all I'm saying is, man, make sure they get what people want to know. They getting what they pay for. William Wade with the Sand Cleaning Solutions, Nashville, Tennessee. If you need your toilet restoration, moving and move out cleaning services for residential, or if you need a commercial cleaning service, we are here to provide those needs for you in the Nashville and surrounding areas.